This is the only way to plug it in. Right here. It is not easy to open. One moment, please. This is the cooling system. This is what it looks like inside. The cooler itself looks very good, but as you can see, there is no USB port and no way to put a battery in this unit for transport. It only runs off of a 110 current. And this is the back. I would recommend the unit if that's what someone's looking for, but not based on the description of what I paid for. In my opinion, this is not worth $159 with tax and such. Have a great day.